I made these two pot and pan holders. The left one was made with my Shipoko Pro CNC, and the right one was made without CNC. To achieve the pot holder function, for sure don't need CNC. I just want to try a new setup of CNC, that's why I made this more fancy wavy CNC version. With these pot holders, pots and pans can be placed vertically, so they don't need to be stacked on top of one another. And the dividers can be placed in holes to fit the depth of the pot or pan. Now let me show you how I made these two holders. This No-CNC version was made with a narrow 3/4 inch walnut board and some 1/2 inch walnut dowels. I ripped the walnut board to 1 inch wide on table saw and cut the board and dowels to length on the miter saw. The length of the board was determined by the internal width of my kitchen drawer, and the length of dowels can be decided by the size of the pots and pans. Then I need to drill holes on the two 1 inch wide boards. I used a pick to mark the hole locations and used a 1/2 inch Forstner bit on my drill press to drill all the holes. After that, I used a round over bit on my router table to round over all the edges on the top surface of the two boards. To avoid tear out, I blue taped a sacrificial board while routering the end grain. Glue up was straightforward. I only glued the base of this holder. All the pot support dowels were just plugged in. This is the CNC version. There is a narrower end and a wider end to better fit the different size of pots and pans. The base was made with 4 walnut boards with tongue and groove joinery. To cut the two long wavy boards, I used CNC to cut the overall shape, bore holes and chamfer edges from the top side, and then flip the board and cut tones from the bottom side. To do so, I need to have a fixed 0 point for the two cuts. So I set the 0 points to the center of one of the holes, and I bored 2 holes a little bit deeper than other holes into the MDF waste board, and then use these 2 holes to lock the position of the board before cutting from the bottom side. I was not sure if this method was going to work or not before the cut, but the result turned out to be great. As the holders will contact pots and pans, I used food-safe walnut oil and wax as the finish. That's it, 2 versions of pot holders, easy to make and very useful little device. My wife is quite happy with the result. This is what they look like in the cabinet drawer. I used one to hold pots and pans and used the other one to hold lids. Thank you for watching. If you like this video, please thumb up and subscribe.